was looking at my dustpan the other day. Just kind of, nothing's really wrong with it. It works just fine, but I was kind of curious if I can make a super heavy duty, unnecessarily overbuilt one. So show you how to do that today. 11-inch opening. Let's go to 14-inch opening. Alright, so here's kind of the shape I got going. Ignore that a little bit. I am going to keep this how it is. This is just a center line for reference. And these are my bend lines so I can have my sides and my back. And this is just going to stay one solid piece, and then I'm going to weld the handle to here. And then I'll show you what I'm going to do for the handle. But for now, I just got to plasma cut this shape out real fast. Should be quick. Busted out the sheet metal bender that you should have because you've been following along with my videos and know how to build it now. Since this is thicker steel than I think this is designed to bend, I'm going to preheat it a little bit along the bend line before I bend it. But for now, let's get this thing set up and I'll probably time lapse the rest of this for you. So with a little bit of persuasion on the hammer and anvil, I managed to get it roughly into the shape that I want. So now it's just about getting this all tacked up and sealed in the back and then sticking the handle on it. So at first I was going to do wooden handle scales, but I think this old rod from my 5.3 would work a little better. It just kind of fits more, you know, so I'm going to go ahead and prep this end and weld it on. Dustpan is burning a little bit of oil here, but anyways, hope you guys found this useful, helpful, entertaining, or any combination of those. And if you did, please consider liking and subscribing. Other than that, hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. God bless.